Yo, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to get the Element windshield replaced. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in a sec.
I hate it when they put clips and then you don't have enough space like to peep inside and see what you're not supposed to do.
Exactly.
This one was good. I could lift it up a little bit and see what I'm supposed to do.
I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it, and I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
Alright, so we got the glass out, but the glass was extremely hard to get out. I mean, extremely hard. Nothing broke besides the glass, of course, it's supposed to. But the rest of it was, I mean, extremely hard to take out because it's an original windshield. So with Honda, they use a lot of extra stuff to hold a windshield in. So we're going to keep cracking on, getting the the rest of the glue off and all the other stuff, clean it, and then we're going to throw in a new one.
My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great.
Just the bottom corner. We get that, we get everything.
I'm just sitting there on my side.
Inside the cup. Yeah, very well.
It needs to come this way.
Needs to come that way?
Yeah.
How is it right now?
Okay.
Okay, let me just come check.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright, that's it. We got the window in. Yes, we did break a few clips on here, but it's okay. I just get some more from the junkyard. So other than that, thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.